Hello, third grade. So we are going to review some of the songs that we learned in second grade. We have three songs that we sung all throughout the year that taught us several things throughout music, okay? So if you were in second grade at Birdell Hunt last year, then you're going to remember these. If you were not at Birdell Hunt last year, you might not know these, but it's okay. Just do your best, just listen and learn, and it's okay if you don't know it today, all right? So I'll go first. You go next. We're going to read the words from left to right, and I'll show you what line we're on by putting my mouse at the beginning of the line. We're going to use our high singing voice, and I'll go first. Just listen. Here's my high singing voice. Now I'm about to sing it. Lucy Locket lost her pocket. Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it, only ribbons round it. Give me a thumbs up if you remember from second grade. Okay, so now I want you to sing with me. So don't forget, this is your singing voice, your real singing voice. All right, sing with me. Here we go. Lucy Locket lost her pocket. Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it, only ribbons round it. Good. And we talked about how in the old days, women would wear a pocket under their skirt. So they would tie their pocket on, then they'd put their skirt or dress on top of the pocket, and the dress would have a little spot where they could reach into the side of the dress to get to their pocket. And so you could actually lose your pocket because it could just come untied. So your pocket wasn't in your skirt or in your pants, it was tied on. And that's how Lucy Locket was able to actually lose her pocket. So let's look at this with our heartbeats. We always track the beat from left to right. We start on the left just like we read a sentence. Okay, so we're going to track the steady beat. You can put it on your lap, or you can put it on your chest, or you can put it on your head, or you can stand up and march the beat. It's up to you. But whatever you do, we're going to stay on the steady beat. All right, get ready to sing. Here we go. Lucy Locket lost her pocket. Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it, only ribbons round it. Very good. Now I know you'll remember this song. We had a game that we played with it, and it was really fun. And it was called We Are Dancing in the Forest. Just listen the first time and then sing on the second time. Here's the first time. We are dancing in the forest while the wolf is far away. Who knows what will happen to us if he finds us at our play? Yeah, so this is a lot of words, but just do your best. If you were not here last year, it's okay if you don't know this, but if you were, you probably remember this. All right, sing it with me. Here we go. We are dancing in the forest while the wolf is far away. Who knows what will happen to us if he finds us at our play? Yeah. So let's look at our wolf beat chart. So we've got beat, 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 beat. Steady beat, but it's wolves because the song is about a wolf. So we're going to start with We Are Dancing in the Forest. How about this? I'll sing, you sing, because this is a lot of words. So this is going to be an echo, all right? Echo means I go, and then it's your turn. Me first. We are dancing in the forest while the wolf is far away. Who knows what will happen to us if he finds us at our play? Good singing, good singing. Now, apple tree. I know you all are going to remember this one, but I'll sing it first just in case. Apple tree, will your apples fall on me? I won't cry and I won't shout if your apples knock me out. Very funny, right? So now you sing with me. All right, here we go. apple tree, will your apples fall on me? I won't cry and I won't shout if your apples knock me out. Yeah, very good. So we had those three songs from second grade, and we're just reviewing them in third grade before we learn our third grade songs. Excellent work.